I hope this can save you a little bit of time and money. My keyless remote died. I had the garage door opener a number of years, so I got this new one on Amazon, put in the battery, and it would work intermittently. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't work. I also noticed that when my car pulls up, if I'm a ways down the driveway, it doesn't open. This is not a battery problem. The problem is this is sending a radio wave, and the antenna on the unit needs to be extended a little bit. So I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way to do this. Follow along. If you take a look under my garage door opener, you'll see a little yellow wire hanging and a second one kind of going upward. These usually drape down, and what they are wires to pick up the signal coming from the remote. Sometimes the issue is the antenna wires just aren't receiving enough of the information. Here's the quick fix. The materials you will need are really simple. A wire stripper. If you don't have that, you can do the old-fashioned method and use just a knife. A wire cutter. And you can see I have copper wire, I have just a piece of steel wire, or a plain old coat hanger wire. All of them will work equally well. Now the next thing you do is take sandpaper and sand off at least the end of each wire, removing any protective coating. I've used the sandpaper to remove the plastic coating over the copper wire, the white paint off of the coat hanger wire, and the corrosion off this steel wire. So they're all shiny, and that's what you need. I used a wire stripper to take a little bit, maybe an inch or so, of the plastic coating off of the end of the antenna wire that's coming down from my unit. If you take a close look here, I've taken the antenna wire and I hooked it in a loop that I made in the steel wire, and then I took that wire, and I'll follow it up, I just looped it over a 2x4 and then came on back down, and now I just increased the length of my antenna at least 20 times. And I can pick up a signal way out from the street with my car, and my keyless remote is working fine. That's what I'm looking for. I hope this has saved you some time, money, and headaches, and that you'll have smooth sailing from now on. Thanks for watching.